So good afternoon and welcome to Amazonian Fishing Oasis in Nakhon, Ratchasima, Korat. Beautiful, beautiful lake. Took a while to get up from Bangkok. It's a holiday weekend, so the traffic was a little bit heavier. Had a walk round, introduced ourselves to Dave, and Rich has decided to have a little bit of a fish in the afternoon. We're actually fishing tomorrow, but Rich is going to throw out a rod now, and I've promised that I'll be his guide if he manages to catch a fish. I don't mind landing it for you, but as for taking the hook out, I'll leave it to Dave, because I am paranoid with these fish.
You don't want to get on the business end,
No, I don't fancy playing around with the business end.
You want me to help?
It has a name?
I have a feeling this one's
only one of them has a name, a little blackie.
Really?
little blackie.
So we rescued him from where we buy the mackerel. They had this fish. They had this fish in a hesky, yeah, this big,
Yeah.
and the fish was this big, and it was like a shame. So,
Ah.
we liberated him, and when he came in, we released him over there.
Ah.
And yeah, it was.
I'll just stand way behind you. I don't want to be.
Was that in
Go on already. Well, it was
in the net.
I had a feeling he was going to go over. Yeah.
it was fast.
So good morning, day 2. Arrived here yesterday afternoon. Richard did manage to take an Arapaima out in the afternoon, which was a bit of fun. But today's the main day. It's 7 o'clock in the morning now. We're just setting up the rods. Big Arapaima just moved there. And yeah, Richard and Dutch Dennis are over on the far corner, the bigger of the salas. I'm in this corner. I'm going to set up a couple of rods along this bank and see what happens. So for this corner of the lake, eventually Dave was saying he's going to have 2 rooms here for guests, 2 like single rooms. But for this corner of the lake today, I've got that rod. At the moment it's bread and ram on a pop-up about 3 inches. I've got this rod on the rod pod just out to the corner here. That's also bread and ram with a foam polyball pop-up. And then in front of the cellar on that bottom corner, fishing in this edge, I'm doing my predator baits, going between mackerel and chicken hearts. I had a run on the mackerel, I had a knock on the chicken hearts, and back on the mackerel. Richard came over and asked for the chicken hearts a minute ago, and now he's got a fish, so I'm going to say he's got that on the chicken hearts. Ooh.
Smiles, camera, caption.
Okay.
Okay.
Up. Okay.
So let me cover a little bit first and then let it go.
I do like these rods.
You do?
Yeah, they're good.
I don't like that reel though. Yeah, the rod's really good.
Yeah,
They're not too big, not too small, just, you know, good size.
yeah, you can deal with the big fish, but also smaller fish still.
Yeah. You still feel it. You still feel, yeah, exactly. You can allow.
And I don't like long rods.
There it is.
Is that a swaytail?
Yeah, it's a Mekong. Oh, are you ready? Because I need to get in. I thought it might be the Mekong the way it's going, yeah. There she is. First lap of the pool today. The bionic woman. Here. Oh. Mekong.
This one, no?
Yeah.
Biggest one in the lake.
I can get in if you want. No?
Okay.
There you go then.
Fair play to you.
This is a baby one.
Yeah, yeah. See if I can get his head up and bring him through.
That's it. You need another fish on soon, yeah? Here it comes. Baby Mekong.
There we are.
It's rain there. Lovely. What's on this rod?
Bread and ram.
It's got a lovely face. And the fish.
It's nice to see him with the mouth still intact.
Absolutely, yeah.
Half of the ones in the Thai parks have missing half the mouth. How you feeling, little calf? Do you want to disappear? Okay, see you later.
Strength.
I'm going to get the slime off now. They had a hell of
Oh,
a
don't
slimy fish, haven't they?
Well done, Dennis. You're into a fish, yeah?
Good. Oh, you are the cameraman?
Absolutely.
Sorry.
That is a fat fish. Look at that. This could be the big one. This could be the big one. Oh, hang on.
แป๊บนึงค่อยฉีด Smiling.
That
Tail
is,
up.
it's one of them Dutch smalls, isn't it?
Is that a Dutch small?
Dutch small. You can stick his finger in the dike. Belly on him, guys.
Dennis has got his lunch. What do you got? Pad seal?
I don't know. Senyai kapkai, but it's probably not the
Oh.
right pronounce.
Very nice.
Big noodle with chicken.
Big noodles with chickens.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yes, Redtail. Another Redtail.
It's your hat trick. There you go.
Yeah.
In 3/4 of an hour.
A lot of chicken and mackerel.
Not really, mainly mackerel. Chicken we used to, but no, it's mainly mackerel. And,
Maybe
maybe,
it's healthy, I don't know.
and whatever else is in there.
Yeah?
Yeah. Nice. Very good.
Woof woof.
Woof woof. Is that the one you've just caught?
No, this is a little bit smaller.
A little bit smaller, yeah?
Okay. You want to spray?
Very good, yeah.
Back.
Spray.
Okay guys, while I'm thinking about it, I'll give you a little tour so you know what to expect when you come here. Main gate, coming through. This is something of a stock pond. It's got a few fish in here. African arowana, I think he said, shovel-nosed catfish. The grounds here are lovely. This is where he will build his house in the future. That's the plan. He's got a few tanks in here with some smaller fish, including some live bait, some tilapia. Here's the lake, the main peg. Ooh, Richard's got a fish on. The main peg's here, that's big enough for two. Go on, Richard. And I'm over in this corner behind the tree at the smaller sala, but there's a couple of other salas around the lake. Beautiful, beautiful lake. So that's the bedroom. This is the living room. It's a bit of a mess at the moment because we had 3 guys in here on blow-up beds, and Richard won the toss and got the bedroom. That's where I was fishing from, and then looking out onto the main lake. Okay, I'll show you around, but keep in mind that 3 guys have been sleeping here for 2 nights and we've only just vacated, so it's a little bit messy. But this is the main living room. At the moment it's set up with a blow-up bed, and Dutch Dennis was sleeping on the sofa. The kitchen, Dave said, is on its way, and this is all going to be redone to be a kitchen area. And this is the main bedroom that has the aircon, looking out onto the lake. And behind the main bedroom is the restroom, shower, hot water. And then at the back behind the room, you've got a couple of chill out areas, and they've got an outside kitchen area there. That white tank over there is storage for fish. He's got some, they're not ripsaws, but they look like ripsaws. I think he called them megalodons or something. Anyway, he's going to release them later. And then there's another little stock pool here, but he was saying he's took all the fish out at the moment. He's got basically just tilapia in here, and a cross between a Jalpraia and a Amazon Redtail. Oh, Richard's still on. Come on, Richard. Was that the bread ram in the corner you just put out?
What do you think, Mr. Cameraman?
I'm filming you, filming me, filming you.
Fantastic. I know what you're seeing.
Got him! Oh yeah, now we can see it.
Okay.
Yeah, sticking back. I'll put a link in the video description to this lake, to the Facebook, if you want to contact Dave and or the owners here about coming to fish. Talking to Dave, he's got some really interesting species in this lake, but the one that I'd love to see today, and I'm going to pronounce this terribly, is Paraiba, the South American catfish. He's got 2 of them in here. Got Siamese carp up to 100 pounds, a catla to around 70 pounds, Jalpraia, Amazon redtails, alligator gar. Yeah, really good mix of fish. With 3 of us fishing, I hope to see a few interesting fish today.
This is on the float, by the way.
This is on the float
With a live bait?
Dead bait.
Dead bait, yeah? This is a Piro everything or something?
I hope so, that'd be good, wouldn't it?
You haven't seen it. It's not an Arapaima, no?
No. I don't think so. It doesn't feel like it.
It hasn't come up for air, has it? So.
Coming up now.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. First glimpse, first glimpse.
Churning a load of shit up there.
Take your bets now. Jow Prayer. No, it would have screamed off a bit more.
Julie. Oh, on the float. It's really low down, isn't it? Dragging on the bottom.
Both of these rods are in close.
Oh, you've got the upgraded one. That's the same as mine.
And he is in the net. A lump of a red tail.
You said there's 5 in here.
And you've caught 4
so far.
I think if you sat at the end of the mat and held him lengthwise, because the sun's, well, actually, if you want the best photo, I need to get into the water, and then the light would be on him properly.
Right. Since when do you do that with your thumb? Hey, you don't fucking spray anything with your thumb.
Yeah, we do it there.
No, don't like that. That's fucking a lighter.
What are you doing?
Getting a good picture. This is the way the sun's coming.
That's it. Right under that. You want your hand right under the dorsal thing. Right under the. Stick your finger in his arse. That's it. And then you
Yeah, give the fish a shocked expression. He's chunky.
What are we doing for release? Just straight back in? Or?
It's got to be. It's got to be sprayed. Isn't it?
Oh, has he not been sprayed?
You've got spray, yeah. Spray, guys, spray.
ไก่ฉีดตรงนี้ฝั่งนี้
He came up in the water to get it.
ไก่เนี่ย
Go on, get Rick. Oh, straight into me. He almost swam into me nuts. Hey.
Oh, yeah. Lucky pocket.
You bastard. He's coming down here with his mate. Both of them are on the move. Right, both of them are right up in that corner. There's one. 2. Is that all 4 of them?
There you go. Yeah. There we go.
Oh, these are a bit squiggly whirly. Oh yeah, you calm down.
He's a bigger one now.
He's ready to go.
So we got Richard, Mr. Guy, and then he's in again.
Oh, no, Redtail.
Not a red tail.
ไก่
Blast away. Hey, Siamese. Yeah, a bit chunkier. To you, to me, to you. Hey! I'm on the pump and give that one some oxygen whilst Dennis plays in the world's biggest tilapia.
Yes. How is tilapia? If it's a tilapia, it'll be a freak. I would almost say it has to be chopaya. I don't know. Maybe just another redtail. Really fast one there.
Oh, dampaku. Big one as well.
What do you call them? No, what does which cat special?
Dampaki.
Dan Packy, yeah. Well done, mate. Yeah, your left arm or right arm?
Oh, this package is okay.
Yeah, that's a good one.
You're having it that way, yeah?
Wow.
Guy, net.
Unfortunately, it's quite dark, but wow.
You don't want me to pick it.
I can
You too.
release you, no problem, babe.
Do you like my eyes?
Smiling,
Smile it is, smiling.
smile,
Bless you.
ยิ้มค่ะ
Oh, Can you make a picture just as this one? This one picture.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright,
Jesus,
go
I'm
in.
gonna slip in.
Yeah? Spray หรือยัง
Young.
Yeah?
Yes.
So let it go, huh?
You're covered in purple iodine, you are.
Is that what you?
Really?
You got it on your nose? No, you're. Nice fish. Nice fish. I'm going to come round you. You come round this way, yeah? So I can get the sun on you and the fish. That's better. That's much better. Come on, fish, settle down. And don't. Right, there. That's beautiful. Nice. And again, one more.
Chill.
Okay. Beautiful. Got lovely colour to it. Lovely red anal fin.
Okay.
That's it, lovely.
Right then, mate. You ready? Whenever you're ready, you tell me.
Yeah, don't leave me hanging.
Oh, sorry. He pisses off back into the net, the idiot.
Yeah.
Oi.
That's gonna go. Right, doing a video release. Yeah.
Got it.
Lift his arse up. There you go. So.
One, two, three.
That's a good photo. Yeah, nice. Thank you, guys.
There you go, yeah.
As he took a couple of gulps, yeah? Today we're going to be driving up to Udon Thani, tomorrow fishing at Lex, but before we head off, a bit of fun in the stock pool. Looks like I've turned up just in time. Dennis is fighting a fish. I'll get the net and give him a hand. I don't believe they are, I mean they've obviously got pectorals and stuff, but I don't believe they're overly dangerous.
You have a little fin on top of
Cool colours on them, isn't there? Well, not really colours, but yeah, cool pattern, that's what I should say.
Okay, yeah.
Quick, Dennis.
Watch the gill plate, yeah? Because we haven't played shark yet. Come into the light. That's it, yeah. No, the big...
Yeah, some of the clay. Give him a walk down. Ah, it looks much better. Very nice.
Tarpon.
Little tarpon, right, have him back then.
Throw him in
Throw him.
first.
There you go.
Yeah,
So there we have it, guys. A great 2 days fishing at Amazonian Fishing Oasis in Nakhon, Ratchasima. Link in the video description to their Facebook page. Dave and Orr will answer any questions you have. Just send them a message in Facebook. If you're travelling up to Isan, this one's a must add to the list. This is one that I'll be coming back to for sure. It'll be really interesting to see what he does in the future, where he adds a few more guest rooms and builds his house. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.